In other news now, the police high command says steps are being taken to protect Jamaica from terrorism. Speaking in the recent RGI News Forum, the police high command says while work continues, closer attention must be paid to our ports. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Boko Haram, Al-Qaeda and ISIS are names of some terrorist organizations across the world. Here in Jamaica, terrorism is not a major concern. However, just last year, the police arrested controversial Jamaican-born Muslim cleric Sheikh Al-Faisal following an extradition request from the United States for his involvement recruiting for ISIS. So what's the latest?
As you know, the matter is still before court, so I can't comment much on it, but I think they have appealed and they are waiting the outcome of the appeal.
For years, Jamaicans have questioned whether local law enforcers are equipped with the tools to deal with the issue.
We have what we call a terrorism forum that operates within Jamaica. We work with our intelligence arms, and so we have a very robust anti-terrorism mechanism in place to treat with any threat.
While those systems are in place, Assistant Commissioner of Police MacArthur Sutherland believes close attention must be paid to our ports.
There must be a recognition that the terrorists will want to seek to, they wouldn't want to recreate the wheel. They will exploit existing gaps, existing loopholes that are there. So if facilitators are at the airport, like from whatever security sector, they should bear in mind that if you think you are facilitating drugs going through today, it might very well be something else tomorrow. And it might prove more detrimental than you had even anticipated. So we have to get everyone on board to make Jamaica, which is regarded as a soft target, a more hardened target.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.